Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'll show you how to repair a Renault keycard. I have a Megane mk3 and my card is failing. The car says keycard not detected. It's a common issue with these cards. Happens on most generations. Buying one from the dealership is pretty expensive. I've tried looking around for people that repair them. Again, they had really high quotes. So I decided to do it myself. Hopefully this is a good video for everyone to watch. First of all, I'm using this cutter, smallest one I could find, to actually pry open the case. The key itself is a hard piece of plastic. You can't open it, it's sealed from the factory. So I just use this small cutter and start from here. And you can just start cutting away at the plastic like this. It's really soft and it just goes really straight in. You can just go all the way around the edges to this side. Once you've cut the edges, you still can't open the case because it has more plastic holding it from the inside. So you'll need to pry it a bit loose and look inside, and you'll see that you'll need to cut around this line here, and then the bottom line, another cut over here, a couple of cuts here and here, and on the top a cut here, here, and this small one here. And once you've cut all of those, the top case will come out directly. And when I was doing the cutting, I was cutting like this and pretty much under the metal tabs, the way you look at it from the battery side. With this method of cutting, you can still use the case itself. You can just put it back together and just glue it a bit on the side with some super glue, and it will still work as a fully functional case. But you can also get a replacement one from China off eBay. And now we have the board out of the case. And what happens with these keys is that the coil that signals the car, this one here, its solder joints will break loose. Like this one, and this one. In my case, all three of them are broken. I'll start off by heating my gun and I'll keep it for a few seconds on the joint until it feels like it's stuck there again. I'll do the same thing on all three of them, and after that I'll put some solder joints. So to recap what I did, I used the hot iron and just held it in place for a few seconds on each of the three joints, and that melted the old solder back into place and the joints were stuck again. But then I added just a small drop of new solder just to strengthen the connection on each one of them. And for the final part, I bought this replacement case from eBay. It comes from China. It came very quickly and brand new case. The nice thing about it is that the edges are actually clip-ons, so I won't need to use glue to stick it. It will just clip on in place. So this is the finished product. The new case came with its own emergency metal key, but it's uncut. Fortunately, the old one fits just fine in the new case. I've tested it in the car, everything works as expected. It's a good fix and I'm happy with the result. I've spent about 30 minutes on the fix and about $5 on eBay for the case, and I would say that's a pretty good home fix. Hope this video helps anyone else who has problems with their keys.